So when Speed Queen contacted me, I honestly didn't believe it. It's like winning an Oscar, honestly. I'm pretty sure I said woohoo on the phone. I am a foster for Dallas Dog Rescue, Rehab, and Reform. We are the last resort before euthanasia. So we are just taking the ones that need help. Towels upon towels and pee pads, and it can be quite gnarly. So you have hair all over your house, especially when you have a litter of fluffy dogs. You spend your time vacuuming and laundry and cleaning out the little lint trap. When I get the Speed Queen, I actually was looking to buy a Speed Queen. About 9 months earlier, my machine actually did die because of a litter of fosters that I had. A friend of mine called me and he's like, Annie, you need to go get a Speed Queen. So when the gentleman came to install these Speed Queens, I was so excited because they looked like these little rocket ships. All these bells and whistles that I had to break down and look at and find all the right buttons. And it was amazing because everything has a purpose. If you felt like your laundry wasn't coming clean, you're like, oh, there's a button for that. Your blanket is clean, but you've got a little dog hair in there. I pop that in the dryer and hit the pet hair button and shoop, it's off. Oh my gosh, I feel silly for saying that. This Speed Queen cycles that I cannot live without. Heavy duty, heavy soil, pet hair removal. I was fortunate enough to get the newer models, the ones for pet hair. It does make it simpler. It does really make it simpler. I always promote the Speed Queen line and I'm like, it's the gold standard. The reputation precedes itself, so it's not difficult to say this is what you need to get. We deal with so many things, and I always think that this one isn't gonna come clean, and it really does. I pop a pot in there and that baby just comes right on out. I don't even question it anymore. I don't have to double check. It's clean.